my name is Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. In this video, I was tagged by K in K Crochet for crochet. Okay, I gotta look at my notes. Crochet craft cart. Hashtag crochet craft cart. So I guess in this video we would talk about a cart. I do have a cart, which I love my cart, but you have to wait a minute. Okay, right now I'm using my cart because I use my phone to record these videos, and the I guess it's called a tripod for my phone is actually on top of the cart, which I will show you in a moment. So I'm gonna have to hold my phone, so give me a moment and then I will actually show you kind of like real time what's on my cart. Okay, there is my cart. And you see, there's my TV. This is the view from the other side of the chair. And I do have a Christmas tree up, which has more like 4th of July type theme stuff. But anyway, I digress. There is my cart. So we close up there, you can see the tripod where the camera is held. And I did get this little addition for the cart, which holds now pens and scissors and stuff. And I got some notebooks in there, and there. I think I have a video tutorial on how these are like jars. And then I did some decorating on the jars. So that's got some crochet hooks and knitting needles and stuff in there. And here, there are my needles. And this thing and other stuff. So middle of the cart usually holds project, and I have right now yarns and stuff for my temperature blanket, my knitted one. So that usually hangs out in the middle shelf for whatever other project I'm working on. In this case, it's the basket, which I'm using with the peach yarn I bought off Facebook Marketplace. I also recently, trying to move here, added the plastic bag, a little plastic gift bag onto my cart, and that's holding scrap yarn. And on, like obviously the bottom of the cart has other projects that I'm working on. I mean, not everything is in the cart. There's my year-long crochet temperature scarf is in this basket next to the cart. That's now where my actual temperature blanket is. When I visit my husband, who's still recovering from knee surgery and rehab, I'll work on the temperature blanket. I keep my ends in here, and that works great for stuffing. Cheaper than fiber fill. And let's see, I have another project with a bag in it. And next to it, I have a basket with other scraps in that. So yeah, that is usually what my cart most of the time looks like. I'll put you back. Putting you back. So some of the questions that were on there, which I think I pretty much mostly already answered, was what's in my cart. All right, you probably just saw what was in my cart. If you see where I use my cart from little I've seen, we rent like a 5-bedroom house, and I'm in one of the bedrooms that's not being used as a bedroom. It is actually my craft room. So that's where this cart hangs out all the time. So that's where that is. And I don't know if there's much I dislike about this cart. I really don't dislike anything about the cart other than it might make, I don't know, I don't think it would make me make more projects that I need to make, because now I have a place to put my projects I'm working on that don't always have to go in a bag. But I love the cart. Matter of fact, I'm almost sometimes I contemplate getting a second cart, either maybe even for the downstairs, to put projects when I'm downstairs. And I might put like stuff when the grandkids are over. I might have toys and that in it. But I contemplate getting a second cart too, but again, also because I have a lot of stuff. That wouldn't hurt for more storage. But I don't dislike my cart. I love my cart. And I think pretty much answered how do I utilize my cart. Not only does it hold my needles and stuff, but I'm using it right now to record my videos because I put my little tripod on my top shelf, and that's how I record my videos. So yeah, this is probably not much of a big video. That's about all I have for this. So I want to thank K&K Crochet for tagging me. Now I gotta think of maybe other people I could potentially tag. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.